Welcome to Adam Auto Group, Chicago's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great in our collection. A pre-owned 2009 Mercedes-Benz SL550. This Mercedes-Benz is powered by rear-wheel drive, 5.5-liter engine, automatic transmission, and has 88,490 miles. Discover luxury at an affordable price with this exquisite 2009 Mercedes-Benz SL550. Sleek design, high-end features, and premium performance. A timeless classic awaits you, elegance and power redefined. Experience luxury, pre-owned. This pre-owned SL550 comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with leather seats, keyless entry, AC, power windows, power locks, power seats, power mirrors, heated front seats, alloy wheels, climate control, cooled seats. To keep you entertained, this Mercedes-Benz SL550 is equipped with navigation. Safety was put first by the following features: electronic stability control, ESC, traction control, ABS brakes, park assist, daytime running light. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.